What is artificial intelligence? For the simple word that it's artificial, which already I exist. I understand that. It's finally base lights or cream, but not to go too far. So it doesn't matter if a machine can help them build a car. Nke piece ya koloi e tlise ka. Piece eo ya koloi tshwanetse e dule mo plekeng e itseng hore e kgone ho topa. Ha se e kgona o e topa e se mone tshwanetse be ko teng. Ha tshwanetse be mo e late kwa. That's adaptive intelligence. A machine that can teach itself. Tshwana le koloi ya Google. Koloi ya Google ha e tsamaya ko strateng ya sheba hore hona le ko strateng ena le camera kodimo, and then e tlisa di instructions tseo ko computing e tlo kgetha hore ya ko pele ra ko morao re a ema. So ntho e ntshwarang hampe ha se hore ka osane ke o computer e tlabe e fetola dibega kapa e phamisa di chips eo ha ntshose. Ntho e sa ntshwarang hantle ke hore kaofela ntho tse di etsahala wena o sa leyo. Umuntu omnyama akunala angena khona. I understand. Abasicabangi, and whether siyabulalana or siyadlana yiyo kanye lento abayifunayo, because of kusizana ukuthi ngizolwa nawe mara ufile ngizomosha isikhathi sami. I understand. So mawungabheka ama banking app kuyafana nje ukuthi ama calculator abekelane phezukwenye. Leyo yokucala ibamba imali yokucala, i-calculator yesi-2 ibamba ukuthi kuphume imalini isale nalento ephumile, i-calculator yesi-3 ibala ukuthi bekunemalini siya-add siyakhipha. Mawuthatha ama Photoshop wabhekelela phezulu, mawususa isithombe sami, into yokucala oyisusayo ubumnyama bami bekubumhlophe phezulu bese uzobeka ubuso bomlomo. I understand. Bayenza movie bahlezi endlini kodwa they still need you to provide some music in the background, provide a layer for whatever they are attaching or moving. So every single thing, a spaceship goes to the moon, nobody is there, drives itself, delivers cargo. My problem is that no one, not even your fellow leaders, are thinking that far, that you should be an astronaut, that we should launch spaceships. I understand. There's a spaceship that should go pick up people right now after another one failed. Now the one that's supposed to pick up people failed too. And we are sitting in the dark continents. I love these continents.